Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making method that can pay you out passively if you follow this video entirely, guys. So now this is going to be the first winner for the daily comment picker of my first video. So I'm going to copy your address right now and I'm going to be sending you over some free cryptocurrency. So now let's move on to the next winner. So now let's copy this one right here for the next winner really quick so we can get started with today's money making method. So keep watching this video, guys, because I created this for you guys so you can start to get some money from me. And if we can help each other out, I'm going to help you get some referrals on your links if you follow my directions closely, guys. So keep watching this video. Now let's click on get YouTube comments. Let's click right here on start and let's see who's going to win the next comment winner. So now this is going to be the winner right here again. Wow. So now you have won twice for two different videos. So thank you again for being a part of this YouTube community. If you want to get a chance to actually win some free crypto from me, make sure to comment down on this video, guys. So this is the website right here that I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. Now the reason why I want to show you this, and I'm going to be straightforward with you guys, this is my website. I was wanting a faucet for a long time and I've tried to do it myself, but WordPress is having problems, or WordPress is not liking faucets anymore. So I figured out a different way to actually create a faucet, and this is one. And I will be showing you the back end. If you want me to show you the back end on how these faucets work and actually go through all these settings, make sure to comment that down below as well, and I'll be more than happy to make a video. So that was my main goal, is getting you referrals and giving you some money for doing some stuff. Easy, simple things, guys. So now let's get started with this video. So the first thing is signing up. So click on register for free right here. It takes only a couple of seconds. The next thing is logging in inside of your account. So let me show you that right now. Now the thing is with these websites, guys, the one thing is that I don't like to wait until everything is perfect. So this website is still, like, I'm still developing it. I'm still getting stuff created and you know, different things going on with this website. So the one thing I want to show you guys is going to be the withdrawal, because that's pretty much all of you guys' question. Is this going to pay out? And it is, guys. This is me paying you guys money from my crypto account. Now I'm not going to let you know that this website, I'm not telling you that this website is going to be around forever, but this is going to be a website that I'm going to try to keep up as long as possible. I will be paying out until this website disappears, guys. So I mean, there can be problems later on in the future with like, you know, rules or whatever you want to call it, laws and stuff. So I'm trying to keep this website up as much as I can. And as you can see right here, the only withdrawal I'm accepting at the moment is going to be through Faucet Pay. So just leave your Faucet Pay or any actual wallet or Bitcoin address, and I'll send it to any Bitcoin address or any crypto address with Bitcoin, guys. Now all you have to do is click in the amount right here. So let's say the minimum is going to be 5,000. That is the minimum that you need to withdraw from my website. So there's things that how you can actually get money from this, guys. Now the other thing before I want to show you how to get money is you can use this right here to transfer to PTC credits. Use this to your advantage so you can actually get referrals on websites that you want referrals on. So you transfer however much credits you want. So let's say I want to transfer like 5,000. I can transfer 5,000 credits and get 5,000 credits in PTC credits or ads. So you can do that right there. And then now let's go on to the earnings real quick until we get down this whole list, and I'm showing you guys this so you can start to learn and start to make some money. So let's go to the short links real quick. I'm gonna keep adding in, I'm gonna take away some. I'm just testing out different short links real quick to see what works and to see what doesn't. This is taking a while because I do have my faucet collector working in the back end. So as you can see right now, I have 59 links available. I have 484 coins that can be earned, and on top of that, guys, I have 438 energy that can be earned. So you just click on go on all of these, use them up as much as you can. So this is pretty much doubling your coins, because I put in these settings that every 2 coins that you that the energy that it takes up, you get 2 coins added to this. So this is pretty much doubled at the end of the day. So now instead of having 484 coins, you're gonna have 800 or 900, almost even 1,000 coins by the first day, guys. So you can use this to your advantage and try to as much as you can so you can start to get some money. Now let's come over here real quick. That's it for the short links. Let's go to the auto faucet. Now this is where you're gonna have to get some energy. So in order to get some energy, you go over here to the short links, and then you're gonna get the energy up here on the dashboard, guys. So you're gonna see this run every minute, and at the end of that minute you're gonna get some more tokens or coins added to your balance up here. So now let's do the next one. Let's go to manual faucet. Now all you have to do in manual faucet is just come over here, click on claim, do the captcha, and then start to get some free crypto, guys. So I think I put this to every 5 minutes you're gonna get 5 coins, and you only have 100 coins per times per day. So all you do is just come over here. You can do reCAPTCHA, vCAPTCHA 2, or solve media, and then fill this little thing out right here, 6, 1, and 4. Then click on collect your rewards, and that is it, guys. That's how simple and easy it is for that. Now let's move on to the next way, PTC, pay to click. So now I'm trying to add in as much as I can, and people are going to be adding in their own ads. So if you want to add in your own ad, you just type in new ad right here, and then you just deposit some coins that are already deposited. So I have 4,753, and then you can add in your advertisements with your referral links down here, guys, and people have to click on this for 20 seconds or more, and you're going to get some free referrals if they sign up under your link. So that you can use this to your advantage and start to get some referrals passively, guys, doing absolutely nothing and pretty much for free. So use this to your advantage. Now let's move on to the next way, achievements, guys. Now achievements, you can just do random stuff and then start growing your achievements list and getting free points and energy. So that's pretty easy and simple to understand right there. So now let's go over here to games. Now this one's kind of like something just there for you guys to, you know, play around with. So it's like a free lottery type of thing. So it says the current pool, there is 410 tokens. So as people buy in right here, it's going to keep adding again here, guys. So the more people buy a ticket, it's going to add into pretty much like the jackpot in a way. And then it's going to roll in 2 days and 3 minutes, and it's going to choose a number from whoever else has the picks in here, or that number is going to win the jackpot of the current pool. So that's a cool way you can start to earn money as well. So as you can see right here, guys, only 81% of you guys actually are not subscribed to my YouTube channel. So if you want to get a chance to actually learn different money making methods and ones that actually work, make sure to click that subscribe button. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, because all it takes is like 1 millisecond for you just to click that like button or even dislike that button, guys. So if you want to create an advertise or create a advertisement, all you have to do is come over here, put in the name, put in the description, the URL link, and how many views do you want, and then the duration right here, 20, 30, and 60. And I'm gonna check it out, and I'll be activating it so it can actually be put in over here where it's inside of the earned coins, inside of the PTC, and then people are going to be able to click on it down here at the bottom, guys. So you can do that all right here. So simple and so easy. So you guys can get started right now. So now the last thing is going to be your accounts, and you can check your history to see what you have done. So this is a really easy way. It's something I created for you guys to get started right now, and I've been promoting this like crazy. So that's why I've been, my focus has more been on this. That's why I haven't been really uploading YouTube videos, and just because I want you guys to start earning some money, and I want to start getting more in action of doing methods and showing you methods that I've been doing and stuff like that, guys. So if you actually enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.